Out here, the quieter it is, the better. And the fewer traces I leave behind, the more I belong. For years, I relied on propane, isobutane, whatever got the job done. But it meant carrying fuel, making waste, and compromising my footprint. Meet the Nomad system. Its lightweight construction, zero emission, dual function design is bar none probably one of the coolest units I've used. I just spent 7 days in the backcountry and I love the ease of it. You just plug it into the vehicle, it's compact setup, and it just replaces so many other items that I would otherwise carry on the road. As you can see, with the gas, you're running into problems with wind, etc. The Nomad system has changed how I cook. It's cleaner, lighter, and way more efficient for my needs while on the trail. We tried to cook something different every night we were out on the trail. This is definitely the first time I've done anything like tacos. We were all quite happy with how fast the Nomad unit was able to brown the beef. And it really didn't use an awful lot of power. You know, you're pulling 1,000 watts, but it cooks faster. And the way we travel, it doesn't really affect us too much. And everyone seemed to love it.
This feels like fresh grated marble.
It is fresh. I just did it before we left.
Oh, that's definitely good. I don't know what they put in the pre-shredded stuff.
This little gem is the Joulle. You can make coffee, boil water for ration packs, and even make popcorn with it. So let's bust into this box, check it out. Inside is nicely packed. This is the Joulle unit. So much smaller than your traditional unit where you've got your bottle of gas and your boiler. You just have your AC plug that comes inside with your instruction manual, and there was a stir stick right there. This is the French press model, so it also comes with that attachment. And of course a sticker. Once you turn it on, it doesn't take very long to boil. Just a couple minutes for full boil. I put the lid on initially. I ended up taking it off just to do a quick time check on it. It holds about 483 watts, as you can see, and it boiled really quick. I just shut it off, drop some coffee in, put the lid on, let it sit for a little bit, and then I have an amazing freshly brewed French press coffee. Look at that. Great way to start your day. Hey, I just wanted to touch base on the Nomad system now that I've had 7 consecutive days out on the trail with it. As someone who believes in leave no trace, the system aligns with how I move through the wild. No fuel leaks, no waste, no fire bans to worry about. I know we just went into a fire ban. It's like 40 degrees today. Quite hot, you know, not having to carry around, as I mentioned, the fuel bottles, you know, stove, kettle, all that other stuff. Now it's just one unit that packs into a nice lightweight bag. Less gear with the Wrangler is where it's at. So I will list my 10% code down below. I highly recommend you really consider one of these units. You know, I wouldn't endorse if I didn't really like it. And if you're serious about off-grid cooking and serious about sustainability, this isn't just the future, it's the best present, right? So it's pretty unique. I like it, had no problems. Held up to multiple straight nights of cooking, few meals a day. That's where it's at. Check it out. Stoke Voltaic. Nomad system, Joulle. I have another cup that I'm going to be working on soon. It's a smart cup mug. It's pretty slick. So stay tuned for that. Bye for now.